Hello! I hope you're well, everyone. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. And today I have huge unboxings. I have to show you bags to buy. There are bags that are available on my website because I'm a bag lover and I do sell luxury pre-loved, sometimes as new. Every bag comes from you, it's consignment. This was created thanks to you and my YouTube channel because I share my life, I share my passion, how to care about bags, how to authenticate bags, how to spot a fake bag, etc. This is what I do originally on YouTube and still does on my Sunday videos, plus vlogs, etc. And on Wednesdays, these are this type of video where I show you the new arrivals on my website. Well, let's go. Let's see what I have to show you today. Okay, the first one is this beautiful, beautiful baby. So I have the box, I have the invoice, I have the dust bag, I have everything. This is a bag that was bought recently. You might guess already what it is. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I authenticate myself everything. I have 10 plus years of experience. Plus, I do also have the entrepreneur certificate. This is a mix of big data, AI, and human verification. So double authentication for every bag. Total. So this is a beautiful airbag. I will give you all the information on the screen, or everything is down below in the description, plus on my website. I do sell on my website. If you are based in the US, I ship worldwide, customs included, etc. So feel free to shop like mind-free, I would say. A beautiful condition for this one with the canvas leather. This is a bag, the airbag, that you can wear as a crossbody. Something I like about the airbag is, for me, it's like if the Kelly and the Birkin made a baby, it's the airbag, you know? It looks like both, the best of both, kind of. Some little marks on the leather in the front, but otherwise great. Let me show you the inside now. I'm not a huge fan of the airbag originally, but this color, it's very chic. Good vibes, good vibe. Okay, so the inside of the bag, you get a little pouch. This is cute. And let me show you the inside. I try to take the bag like this way I don't damage it. Voila for the inside of the bag. If you want any information related to price, description, everything is on the website bamluxurystore.com. I will link also in description. For now, it is available. I have new arrivals only every Wednesday, and that's it. I do also personal shipping, so if you're looking for something specific under certain budgets, a special collab, I can maybe look for you. My majority of clientele that drop me consignments are from France, majority of Paris, of course. This is where I source 90% of my bags and 10% in Japan, because sometimes it's easier there. Even if sometimes with customs it's complicated, but I deal with everything for you. Let me show you straight the second one with box and dust bag as well. But this one is very, very vintage and it's a Kota bag, okay? I do have a strap, but it's not from origin, but it comes with it, so it's good. I have padlock and keys. So this one has a little story. This is a Kelly 28 vintage gold hardware. The strap is not from original, but my client bought it to add it, so it's good, you know. This is very, very vintage, and for the little story, this was supposed to be the bag that I was supposed to keep it for my 30 years old birthday that I celebrated like 2 weeks ago, and I ended up like be called by Hermes for my Kota bag, so I ended up buying like a Birkin 40. I could not refuse, and I thought I would never get it in stores, so I decided to get this one. But in the end, I had it, so I can't keep both of them. I wish I could buy, like, I could keep also this one, because this is clearly a bag that I love, easy to wear. I don't feel pressured, or I don't feel fear to wear this bag because it's already vintage. It has lived maybe two to three with different people, like 2 to 3 different lives. I don't know, but this is a bag so easy to style, easy to wear. I don't fear to damage the bag because it's already vintage. It is a little bit used, but I can't keep it, so it will be for you. Kelly 28, brown Courchevel leather. So it's the Epsom vintage leather. It was retinted, we can feel it. Well, almost nothing. It was very, very well done. And trust me, I see lots of bags. The price will be below 7,000 euro. It's insane. The turn lock is a little bit loose. So it's vintage, so it's completely normal. It's from the 80s, I believe. I need to check, double check this information to give you on the screen. Otherwise, it will be on the product page. Here it's up, as you can see, a little bit damaged. Well, it's more like the tint, I would say. Here it's a little bit like, it's not dry, it was like redone, but still a little bit. I try to show you every details of a bag all the time. So important for me, but the leather is great. Oh, let me show you the inside as well. I have a little cushion inside. My client that like sold me the bag had it. So for this one, you will get a Baba Baby certificate exclusively. Here you have the Hermes Paris that is like fading and a little bit gross. I think because the plate was, you know, redone or misplaced. Inside is gorgeous. I love it. And this is below 7,000 euro. So it's crazy. And it's a size 28. 28 size. I'm in love. I wish I could keep it for me. You can't imagine how much I'm like, I'm so sad. Anyway, you have the Hermes engraving on the plate here. And the bag is available. So be fast if you want it, because it can go fast. I can ship to the US. I can ship to anywhere in the world. The price you see on the screen is tax included. Custom included. You just have to pay shipping, I believe, or I do offer it on these type of bags. I don't remember on the website though, but it's tax and customs included on the price you see on the screen, directly on the product page. Because I know you used to see like not taxes included, and it depends on your region in the US, I believe. But here's the difference. So, you know, don't hesitate to check. I have a beautiful Keepall to show you guys. This one is beautiful. It's a beautiful Keepall monogram canvas. Great condition. The patina is not done yet. It's pretty light for now. You have almost no trace of wear, as you can check. Handle starts to patina a little bit, to be a little bit darker, but almost not. Price of the bag is 890 euro. The hardware is in very good condition. Inside is very good too. It's a very good travel size, travel bag. Well, it fits in the cabin plane. In cabin, yeah. I'm so sorry, my English is not the best. It's not perfect. I try to improve it. And I'm sorry in advance if it's not nice to hear. I promise you I try my best. Another Louis Vuitton bag. This time it's a vintage. This is a looping bag. Very nice everyday bag. Easy to style. As you can see, I have like a full look shirt, white shirt and jean, and it's easy to style. Very nice. The condition of the bag is quite nice for vintage. Excellent condition on the hardware. Excellent condition on the canvas, on the corners. Even the patina on the leather is quite good. Very quite normal. Inside is great. You have one stain on the bottom and some little rubbing on these parts, but it's quite normal when you enter the bag. Zipper based. 629 euro. You have little pockets and easy bag for every day. Let me check the time on the screen. No, it's good, because sometimes I do very long videos and I know it's too long. I have so much more things to show you, but I'm not gonna show you in this video because it's a lot. Go on the website bamluxury.com. You have everything, and if you want a video like of me showing the bag, of me wearing the bag, or any of the things, contact me on Instagram. It's bamluxury or margavalux, and I will gladly do the video. I'll try to show you photos and everything. Thank you so much. Bisous.